Cardiac tamponade causing cardiac arrest mechanism. Very simple and easy mechanism. So what happens in cardiac tamponade? This is our heart and we have water around it or blood. So this is congested. This has no space to dilate. So it cannot receive blood. This is the first problem. So let's say previously there was no restriction and heart could receive 5 liter blood. But now it's under pressure from outside. So it can receive only 2 liter blood. If it could dilate properly its end diastolic volume 5 liter after full dilatation. But now we cannot even reach full dilatation. Heart has potential to reach that, but we cannot even reach full dilatation. It gets pressure from outside. So let's say in that place, second stimulation, SA node sends an electrical stimulation, then AV node, then bundle of His, second electrical stimulation comes that you have to eject. So before ejection, the amount of blood we have is now 2 liter. So our preload before firing, we have to load our gun, right? The amount we have before firing, we call it a preload. So preload is decreased. And when preload is decreased, we have less cardiac output. So we have decreased BP. And as it cannot dilate properly, what did I tell you? Heart muscle has gates, calcium gates. When it dilates properly, let's say 2 calcium, 2 calcium, 2 calcium. This 6 calcium enters this muscle. But now it cannot dilate properly. Let's say only one channel dilate and only 2 calcium enters your heart muscle. So more calcium enter, more will be the force of contraction of the heart. But now we have only 2 calcium. So force of contraction will be very less. So we will have low BP. So the reason is our preload has been decreased. But afterload, no. Right ventricular contractility, no problem with contractility. Heart is good. No problem. Arrhythmia, no, not yet. There is no arrhythmia they mentioned. But afterload, you might get confused about preload and afterload. What is afterload? When I am pushing this blood out, the resistance my aorta will give, that is our afterload. But do we have any problem with afterload right now? The answer is no. We don't have any problem with this resistance.